The Zojirushi Zutto Coffee Maker is a stylish and truly compact 5-cup coffee maker, full of thoughtful features that make it versatile and simple to use. Designed with convenience in mind, the water tank is removable and easy to fill, with clear water measure lines for hot or iced coffee. And to make coffee taste its best, a replaceable charcoal filter, which lasts up to 2 years under normal use, purifies the water for improved flavor. The uniquely designed cone-shaped filter basket sits directly inside the glass carafe. To make a pot of hot coffee, line the filter basket with a paper filter. Using the included measuring spoon, fill the filter with the desired amount of coffee and secure the cone basket lid. Fill the water tank with water to the level line that corresponds to the number of cups of coffee you'll be brewing. In this case, we are brewing 5 cups of coffee. Place the water tank in the machine and replace the lid. Then, turn the switch on. One-button operation makes brewing coffee the most effortless step in your busy morning routine. The Zutto Coffee Maker brews coffee quickly, and the automatic Keep Warm plate keeps the coffee in the glass carafe warm. To make iced coffee, follow the same procedure for hot coffee, using the scale for ice on the water tank, which adjusts the water-to-coffee ratio for a stronger brew. Fill your drinking glass to 80% full with ice cubes. Then pour over it with the hot coffee. Coffee is instantly chilled, resulting in bright, great-tasting iced coffee that isn't watered down. As with all of our products, the Zutto Coffee Maker is easy to clean. The removable water tank and glass carafe set are hand-washable. To keep the coffee maker running like new, descale periodically with citric acid cleaner. Sleek, compact, and versatile, the Zojirushi Zutto Coffee Maker is the perfect addition to any kitchen or office.
Energize your break room with the K3500 Coffee Maker, the latest workplace innovation from Keurig. The brewer blends intuitive technology with clean lines and a modern design, delivering an unmatched range of beloved brands of coffee, cocoa, and tea, all at the touch of a screen. Choose from 5 cup sizes, from 4 to 12 ounces. Increase your coffee's strength and intensity with Strong Brew. Ideal for a busy break room, this brewer is engineered for continuous use, with auto-eject pod functionality and direct waterline plumbing that allows for back-to-back brewing. The brewer dispenses hot water from a dedicated line on demand for added convenience and versatility beyond beverage. The intuitive high-res touchscreen makes it quick and easy to use. Simplicity meets productivity. Bring new energy and inspiration to your workplace with the innovative Keurig K3500.